we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as tomatoes. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the ma syllable, tomatoes. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as tomatoes. Tomatoes in American English versus tomatoes in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names and words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.